We have done a lot. We've done a lot in terms of decentralizing our courts, firstly, by looking at opening resident magistrates court, and secondly, where we can't open resident magistrates court, we have opened circuit courts, in which the court would go to a sitting and go back to the main station. But I can tell you that the Chief Justice, when he gave his state of the judicial address, when the legal year opened for 2023, he announced various places that we are looking at opening resident magistrates court. For example, here in Chimanimani, we've managed to achieve that. We are also looking at opening a court in Chipinge in Masvingo. We are also looking at places like Gui and Brunapek in Matabeleland South, places like Dete and Kamativi in Matabeleland North, and places like Mshumbe Pools in Mashonaland Central. These places that I've highlighted, we have noticed that litigants, members of the public, are having to travel hundreds of kilometers for them to access the nearest court. We'll also continue with our desire to open, to decentralize the High Court, because the objective is to have the High Court situated in every provincial center in the country. We are now targeting Matabeleland South and Gwanda, where we are constructing a multi-court complex, and it's going to house the Office of the Sheriff, the Magistrates Court, and the High Court. So we are looking at the decentralization of the court with a two-pronged approach, where we are decentralizing the Magistrates Court to districts, and we are also decentralizing the High Court to provincial centers.